That was a one-way. What the fuck? This is a one-way. You don't see the one-way sign there? Got an accident, huh? You know what? I always document. People want to cut people off. You know? People want to cut people off. Look, oh my God, look at this. Wow. I've been promoted. So I'm going to do my gurus. Oh, I'm going to Is he going to run? Why is he going over to the left? To that area, now you're already in the subway. It's like, it's just so stupid. Like, how stupid do they think these people are? Oh shit. Happy? Like I don't understand why not let me in? Like, it's not a big deal, you know. And the reason why is, guys, I'm not even sure I'm gonna keep you. CFP 483. What's the point of that? People like that, man. I'm telling you, just look. Wow, look. See? That's what I'm saying, guys. Shit like that, when you do that, you drive just like that, that's how faster. And then now he's going to change lanes. The other car that's going left lane, that was already going fast, has to go to the right lane to go around. It's like,